Most freelancers spend their careers swapping their hourly rates for a paycheck. Breaking into the world of scalable software ownership is the alternative, and it requires exactly 0 lines of code. The market demand is visible on every street corner. Every salon, dentist, and private tutor relies on one specific mechanism to survive: daily, reliable appointments. Look at how these businesses actually operate. They lose revenue every single day because they manage those bookings through messy direct messages, missed phone calls, and disorganized paper calendars. Solving this usually requires a massive upfront investment. Building custom scheduling software from scratch costs tens of thousands of dollars, effectively locking standard entrepreneurs out of the SaaS market. This creates a massive supply and demand arbitrage gap. By providing a ready-made digital scheduling solution, you can capture that lost revenue for the business while building a profitable agency for yourself. This diagram illustrates the mechanics of white label rights, which acts as the direct bridge across this market gap. You take a completed piece of software and legally stamp your own brand on it. Unlike standard affiliate marketing, where you receive small commission percentages, white labeling means you own the platform. You operate as your own agency and keep 100% of the profits. The specific tool built for this resale model is called BookPilot. It is a pre-built booking engine engineered exactly for these local service businesses. It functions as a 24/7 digital receptionist. It sits on a client's website, manages real-time availability, and automatically blocks any overlapping appointments without a single phone call. Owning this master software provides the infrastructure to pivot from selling your own hours to operating as a high-leverage software founder. The usual bottleneck with software is the onboarding process. Traditional platforms take hours of manual configuration and tedious database entry before a client can even go live. BookPilot removes that friction with an AI-editable setup. You simply type the client's staff members, services, and pricing into a chat-style interface, and the system configures the backend instantly. It also features direct Google Calendar sync. For serious professionals, this is a requirement to ensure their existing private schedule matches their public booking page. Because most customers book from their phones, the entire user interface is mobile-first. A frictionless booking process that takes under 60 seconds directly translates to higher revenue for the business owner. This fast AI-driven onboarding is the engine of your agency. It allows a non-technical founder to deploy the software and scale to unlimited clients. Once you own BookPilot, you hold unlimited resale rights. This means there are 0 ongoing royalty payments to the original developers, no matter how many clients you acquire. This diagram shows 3 revenue strategies. 1. Charge local businesses a $500 to $1,000 setup fee. 2. Build recurring revenue, where 50 clients at $29 monthly equals over $1,400. 3. Rebrand for specific niches to increase conversions. Once a client is on board, retention is driven by outcomes. Automatic email reminders reduce no-shows, while multi-employee staff rosters keep large teams organized. The BookPilot asset represents a turnkey, mathematically proven SaaS business in a box. The primary concern for any non-technical operator is maintenance. Managing bugs, server stability, and operational risk usually requires a dedicated engineering team. BookPilot includes everything you need to mitigate those risks. You receive the master project copy, the unlimited resale license, and lifetime support to handle technical issues. The initial handover is frictionless. The entire transfer process is handled on a done-for-you basis by Ecom Chief, ensuring your agency is operational from day one. This ledger illustrates the actual cost of entry. On the left, building a booking app from scratch demands months of development and thousands of dollars. On the right, acquiring BookPilot requires only a 2-figure entry price for instant delivery. To launch your own software company today, secure the master license to BookPilot and begin onboarding your first local business. Leveraging a pre-built, white-label asset strips away the friction of product development. It is the most direct route to escaping the time-for-money trap.